Breakfast with Bob.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Hope you all had a great week. Well, here you are, the trade show warrior, making the rounds, shaking hands, cutting deals, sending emails, taking selfies, maybe even shooting some videos, and then you realize your phone's out of juice. But you don't panic. No, you have one of these. You have a lanyard that would be the envy of every James Bond wannabe out there. It's not just your typical lanyard, it's a charging cable lanyard. This end goes into your computer, this end goes into your phone. This will work with the Apple 7, 8, or 10. Also, the micro USB will work on the older Androids, and the Type-C connector will work on the newer ones. Now maybe you're not near a computer. No problem. You have a power bank. This end goes into the power bank, this end goes into your phone, and now you're set up to go for a little while longer. Plus, the lanyard is a nice option for those employees that need to have identification at their places of employment. What a great way to keep them charged up all throughout the day. The lanyard offers step and repeat imprinting, and there's a large imprint area on the power bank as well. Want to know more about these or thousands of other different great ideas to help put a charge in your brand? Give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you about them. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend.
Breakfast with Bob.